I just discovered that you can access Veo 3.1 Nano Banana for free.
Zara Studios will never hide any update from you.
To get access to this, you need to watch the video till the end without distraction.
I don't know how long this will last for, so get in right now before it's taken down.
Now Zara will take over from here.
All the videos you just watched now were generated using Google's Veo 3, all for free. You could also generate images using the Nano Banana Pro for free as well. Without further delay, let's just dive right in. Go to Google and type in this word, Google Gemini Business, and click on the very first option. That will take you directly to this website. I would also leave the link to the website in my video description. Use any email of your choice and click on continue. Once you do that, it is simple. It just brings you right here and asks you to choose a name. So I'm just going to delete this and change it to Zara Studios. Use any name of your choice and click on agree. And it will bring you right here to this amazing, simple interface where you can generate images and videos for free for the next 30 days. Yes, this is only available for the next 30 days for free. So take note of that. To generate your first video, zoom out and click on this tiny settings icon in between these two icons right here. Click on it and then you would see generate a video. Click on generate a video and then you would have access to use Veo 3 to generate. Now I'm just going to paste my script and click on enter. Immediately I paste my script, it just starts generating. It doesn't even allow me click on enter. So once you paste your script, it begins to generate, and this is what it generated for us.
I just discovered that you can access Veo 3.1 Nano Banana for free.
I wasn't satisfied with the accent it gave it, so I had to use an American accent, and I regenerated it, and this is what it gave me.
That you can access Veo 3.1 Nano Banana for free.
This is much better. To download your video, just tap on it. At the top right corner of the video, you would see the download button. Click on it and this will download onto your device. I generated several videos while testing out this platform and I did not get any limitation error message at all. So use it as much as you like. If you're getting value from this video, do well to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome and amazing content like this. To generate images, you need to start a new chat. So at the top left corner, click on new chat and then click on that tiny settings icon we clicked the other time and click on create image pro and you will see the banana icon right there. That is Nano Banana Pro. So you can use this to generate as many images as you like. Type in your prompt and click on enter, and before you know it, your image will be ready. This is the very first image and it's a simple prompt of a dog in a coffee shop, and this is what it generates. It did so well. The lighting, the color, the background, everything looks so perfect. To download it, tap on the image and click on the download button at the top right corner and it will download it onto your device easily and effortlessly. I tested it again using another prompt of a female warrior and a dog alone in the woods while it was snowing, and this is what it generated for me. This is super amazing. It looks so realistic and it is perfect. If you ask me, it is perfect. Let me know what you think about this platform in the comment section. The link will also be in the description. You can check it out. And that is it, guys. The only downside to this particular website or access to Veo 3 from this website is the fact that you don't have access to the frames to video and you cannot extend any video or jump to any video the way you can if you get access to Veo 3 through Google Flow platform. And that is something we can do away with for now. We just have to manage this. If you got value, kindly type thank you in the comment section. And until I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara. Do well to subscribe if you haven't, and check out some of my previous videos and you will not be disappointed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.